kulia road show track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo iratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate road show track experience niyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwaberwa kulia track yiga ya road show iyo rakorere product launch use emisangerekano ya gisiasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatiye road show chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoretere track yibwate libagaliya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiriya nigo liri ya kigima eryo lichunjugire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwate chi DJ Janjere chi MC nabwigo track yana boko nyetumika asogo korera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsemo abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneje county chonsi imeyensi ya Kenya street ya goteka babuna street ndeyonsi chingaki obunjeli bwago nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimgwetera senamba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange
Tarikini komi homo tienye no yoga tano mwaka no yoga chirubire merongo hebere ne tano erituko hensi ya Kenya yagendera kubaterana ne chinse chinde go chingira rituko ya bonna go se abaswate elio rikorokwa Mother's Day elio rigo chingira sokwa ne kubona nkoligirira abokarari obo bagenderete ko ikirani ase chinse muchomo tigirani homo so muchomo ligirende no kwegena mbiyore ando siasole na kukwanire Oigo gukwarigane kwanyora mangana maya Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere chiabo no gutko yeterane Cyrus Nyakundi asense melio manyeryo igare Wilson makuru nago sabire tuskara Go chaka Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere nigo togo chaka litskola rensi ya Kenya igo yagendera kubaterana ne chinse chinde hanana sugo chingira litskola bangena abaswati unenjere yamo yo kwene kibona nkuligerere ali bagenda tubikirane ase chinse mo chiabo kwana chinga kicho obwatani oni go bese kiaso kwene kibona obatogi bare habangina waso kwene kino gukwanirali bagendete
Ekerore tskoria rero rirerio kubachengera abangina emeyense nigo emirimo y'abangina bagwikirania ase eyamate egenderete kogokerwa mono umuinjinia James Kimoni oyogenderete kuriyoboga bana bwa Nyamira nigo abeiro murayo bwangu mono wensokya na guchengera emirimo eyo
we are bageni with a lot of humility to celebrate our mothers. Mama Mumpo, happy Mother's Day. Ditukori yariaba ni na waito na wabugu waito. Mulko tochokatwa babarai. Mulko tochokatwa atipisho. Mulko tochokatwa
and great leaders. There's usually a mother who sacrificed quietly, prayed faithfully, and worked tirelessly. To all mothers present here today, and those mothers watching from different places, I say thank you.
Mama wetu ambaye ni Madam OCS alipofika Kabarnet Town akaona mabaya mingi, vitu mbaya yenye vijana wanafanya ama hata watu wasee wanafanya. Watu wamekunya bombe, alafu kuna immorality mingi, vitu mbaya zinafanyika. So madam akaungana na watu wenzake na akatoa nini ya kuamua kabisa kuamuka na kushughulika kuona town imesafishwa. So sisi kama wamama leo tunasema tunamshika mkono na tunamuunga mkono, sababu sisi hao wote unyako kwa streets ni watoto ya mama.
Sina maneno ya kuambia. Yes. Sikujua the whatever I've done imeleta this kind of impact. Yes. Nashukuru sana. And thank you for recognizing the work of the Kenya Police. Yes. Asante kwa kutambua ofisi yetu ya Kabarnet Police Station.
Kinse gendete ochengera disukuri abangina nigo munchine Kimoni iyo kuri gavana wa Nyamira sokire na kogokera emirimo yabasubati bagwikirania siamate Kimoni ni gale koja kwana yega chinga kikirana somo yega bo masabo ase kanisa ya pepa abo morito ime yegodi yabo gichore bunge ya West Mugirange county Nyamira asabana kira banyamira buna heranigo harachie kugandira kuri gavana wa Nyamira somo yego yubwa masabo nigo bagwikiranwa no yo kabiro mu MCA hobo gichora Pyuto Manga yasema ya yoroke mogoko ye hobo mu barayi bagusi bahoro kichinga ki ba motariro mo seneta bi county ya Kisii rijage ngo muri kitofatiga Disemba norobotirwa senchira yo
Ekerore tikuria rero rirerio kubachengera abangina emeyense nigo emirimo y'abangina bagwikirania ase yamate egendrete kogokerwa mono umuinjinia James Kimoni oyogendrete kurigyo bugabana bwa Nyamira nigo abeiro murayo bwangu mono wesokya na guchengera emirimo eyo.
We are bageri with a lot of humility to celebrate our mothers. Mama Mumbo, Happy Mother's Day. Ditukori yari abangina baito na babugu baito. Mulika tochoka toba barai. Mulika tochoka toba chipisho. Mulika tochoka toba abari muju professor. We appreciate you and we salute you and we pray for you. We will continue supporting you.
Ense moyende nigo muinjinia Kimoni akwanire igoro yo gusarika gwechipara.
Shida ni gani? Hakuna barabara. Igogo tebama wale wasimamizi wa kaunti wajitokeze ndio wale karagita na niruhusu niongee lugha yetu. Hivi karagita vilikuwa hoda na naita nyama ya maambia tena yetu ona leo wale barabara tu hapo si jiororo. Lakini chakula ile yenyewe italeta itano. Wajitoke watoke kwa ofisi waende pale kwa barabara zile zimetengenezwa waone kama zimekuwa jua tumbo cha ngomia jua tajikarabat ama jitali wote no ani barabara kila hapo hivi ndio kile kama ni ana Nyamira kwa kusabira ile ndio kwa kusabira mara iko tutamaliza hii
okwana kurase kanisa ya pefa omorito imeye wodi ya bogichora ebunge ya West Mugirango nigo umuinjinio yo James Kimoni asingirira bona ere asabegete amaisaye na sekirugo kyobugabana wa Nyamira na tarigo kya koba mokonyi wo murayonde bwensi
Kimoni kuri yaro mugabana for clarity kusema wasiwasi Kimoni tari kuri himote kugabana Nyamira Ekeko kerinya mingi kemuyo rake bage kera Nyamira. Acho wale deputy abosigete abayete lasi ekokoroge. Tari kusumbueti deputy cheito.
Ase kanisa eyeiga boigo nigo yeikiranwa no yokabeire omo MCA obogichora Diuta Omanga oyo ensemo yaye orekana kogokiwa no bomo obwa barayi bagusi baorokya chingaki bamutarira omo seneta we county ya Kisii Richard Onyonga asoko mwa engora ya bene maiga yere gusiririwa no moibori
bagito na ogete mutu wikirima abagusi bakira ina Chile kwa Richard Onyonga pole. Can you imagine Simbarati? Yeah? Mwaboti? Osono chate tiulori jirani bonsi piba imogeto wakanda kwa Richard pole. Ekiroba ni family ya Richard Onyonga ibahako hagi jada bahako sabusana wija mbali kura manenge kirba kura mana akakemoya bari gutuma abantu nini babaita abantu bande tawuni yaje bari ubanje buri boro ketie mbabubeki wetanya karama kwiriya
aiga piuta umanga oyoboigo asenga kieye ukorigia obo MC bwabo gichora naboigo James Kemoni nigo basegetira basae kogenderera kubwata chikura asobonge eryo bachie konyora ribaga ryo wechorera abarai baganitie
ina abo busana inga ndoro sili abantu mbaro wena kubwate kura otabaratiki Koko iria tawoga na matiani kingisha ine
Kisii and Nyamira iria direta mwana wo kuandikisha abantu nigo kubwate ibanda ro kuandikisha chira jechikura njigo iru Getembe Television Offices njigo iru bari kutara agenda mo kubwate chikura
Hingo reporter Getembe koroiga bomorito eye gotoke meye wodi ya Bogichora ebunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira inje Fatigad Isemba
Demo mulikito Fatigad Kisemba Sorobotiru Itiko liarero mo gavana we county ya Nyamira umusigo abari bande niko baikasenka yumuna Teresa enyamataro kitutu central yole mama senator we county ya Kisii Ekeonga asokoro hengora kicho niko babuli mugusigo chamo anena soko batisigo tamatiangi asekanga yayo kulige kirogo kyobura wensa siboigo we sigeto cha sabana NC we sokya sobonge hena kubwata chikura
yoko biarte abiaro mure ekerage korusupa sebeta ete nai como choi ni como realiza como lucy aquí we must stick together. We must do what? Stick together. Tobarai. Ikia tutabetia mtoto na sauti. Ikia rajikura 1 million plus. We don't get idea 200. So into the swing vote. We can decide where the government goes. Terrible. Yes. Not because of that benefit, privilege. We got to make an arm to make sure what they could as to what is a conjecture. It is that the Mecca. I say, great Chinsa. Young whatever, you know, you be here. We work together with the Jubilee. You're what I'm saying, Kurani, I am with you. But I'm going to come on and take all Tara, Tavamo. I think you're there, come to read the come on. Oh, my, you're
Singigamo Senator Kisii Nyamira agendete kwewa engora abarai kubatikana no gusira kwa maboni ko bateruna ogusina ganere kokwana neryo birimo aswametuna bari barasya serikali nechinga kichinga igo babahete banyale bakwirana asigesa ko kemo habuna okusi
ndi no ali Nairobi no muntu kumupinga chikura umwana okurugari mantu zero kurwa rwasa famara de the two gentlemen have been friends for the last since my mother died. Kima ilikuwa romo utukiro Balikolama bagay jaini tuwe karaza jimiti yore yote banaro sile mamiti yore zambi oyo onde alwa somera mpaka midnight ogenda kibage yore sazo njabuko. I completely really think that if my mother can make many of us a bit easy in politics and watch and the in trade now to was with the money is our my mother to say no you take it in Tombiro. No way the money is it? I don't know. People in Wisconsin, we want that you're useless.
I didn't tell you about tomato. Kurgusia se aveta. Ogni gota che te cuire che robo Kusi. Ogni gota ne novo MCA. obo jumbe, obo women rep, obo senator, obo governor. Igie kiama ichi kaino moto Fred Okengo Ekemo kiabo ne kiamekyo kia UPA. Ekende kero kia PDP. Ne binde permita toiga. Ase ngencho etotagete chikura chonsi ipi chichikane chisoe bibo eli motari boigo. Na twanyoro bokomuo. Twensi ipi bakomo waziri olio oruto o education. Ba chakoromo ga. Ba nyongo mwa Nairobi. And we say this barrier should be a uniting factor. We are bringing all of us together. Teliboronge naende etu abateriga babegalia bapimete tu Chinsa. Ninga kingo ike mwaroje nanje na ontogete dakika yo mwali. Mwinyoleti. Igo amasikani abo.
Ria rero igo tugwendete kurwa ningo yo guchingira ituko ria rero ryo guchingira abangina gusiria abangina gusaba subati ituko ria mathase day ningo guchingira ritukeriga ria Bible abangina gusaba subati ria mathase day namba ya simu ni 072644 bene namba ya simu ni 0726447367 toma SMS Getembe TV, Facebook na boigo YouTube. Eligo litukera lero ningo guchingira litukeriga lya Bible abangina gusaba subati lya mathase day. Toma he ujumbe nke wetera se namba yesimi ya 0726447367 ninchi gosoma SMS ino karongo chigoswa asomoti mokomoke. Yamate ya nyagosira Cheslin nyanga wondiki yegotoka ime yekenyoro kianyange ni ewadi ya bubirongo igobare ne kibako karama ega yoyore ni ganga yokorige kero kyo jumbe hime yebunge nyalibari chacho musko kingo nyambane esoke anagwa kiranero mwana wo bwekeredi gekomi school fees abigo ni gobakwa nabuna asibo mwakrambio asoko imukige tamukero kya soko ne kibuna omwana yo ngochi kagendrale na masomaye
Divina mura bakoniga rurute ekara ngi kurugasi stroke ya mwagite kira ya mwagite kuruga bwa kaganda gakira kayinya gitahi wana bakita gasira jabana mwisime bachori akembi yamana asogo chakongira romani school ikinga na kinsa bitiyo kana na kuri ngambi yamana asogo chasike nyorukia nyange
njengo pamondi oyo mabona gusira nyangao mwisime ngambi yamana asogo chagotokonya barora bago to promise ngo konya bara kini mbari mucha baikirania uneta kiriya ese kenyoro to kurgeri buya barora baji university okonyete endundo kwato yo muito rega ro university tukagirite mucha kurora okonyo eso yo grade 10 bata bambia mon
wekirenga mbia mon wanyari okonya nyaera mwana na ndimba kwatina nkende bakoriga igeto kwanje to twa kamuture to gwatana twatenga mbia mono nande twatenga mono na konye to mwana onde we university uri moino gaiga nande twatenga mbia mono na ere twateba nyairo bwate school mono osome na mamu minaro atwale chinguru agende konda komentera se okoe kwende pocket money
umwana uyu barwa una arwa wano usiri wano bina atire otigire binde bingi nane nyumba ari kwa gatatanye kirane abana konyora buna arwarire umwana ga aka konyotara kuri school fee iyo ndiyamano mwekimigwa rukingo nyambane sogo toratara okonya gaiga aga kina inu kumwigure igo mwana rigo ebikora byaye umuhamu manyi
asenke wakonumborora umwana wande skuru Elizabeth Nyairo mucho koroni igente kiyo kengo okonye matukari mutwe kwegura ya twa gotebire umwana mukwa mukore binte bia umwana asome achaguye konya matukari mutu
nenguro kujane tike muntu umwana yumudurara gati gabana bake batakito gukonya umwana uyu kuruka Elizabeth Nyairo anyoro mwiri admission lakini renda igakurwara kanyara kumukonya mbia mano mwishimi wa chali okengo nyambane
aso koleta ko bokase familia abana igoyo muna harule university ari first year opini wako lili aso mwana uyu Elizabeth ndiyamona musaidi gakuyanira naso gutacho bunyasi bunyakugoro.
Litiko liarera babwatani be kanisa ya Repentance and Holiness beso kia sobonge ime yomuchi busonga so kwaletaro yoko keruko gwenu wako muyo mobo kurwa sebinyenye byenyamureo ukwanekere kyo nigo batabuna masabono kwegena nigo kokwikirani ayara ya makongo asa mwanya bantu.
Nataka kuchukua nafasi hii, majina yangu ni Askofu Paul Mokaya. Mimi ni mchungaji katika huduma ya toba na utakatifu, mchungaji wa Kisii mjini. Wapendwa wabarikiwa, vile ambavyo mnavyoona leo tumekusanyika hapa kwa njia kuu sana kama mtu mmoja ili kuleta shukurani zetu mbele za Mungu kwa sababu miongoni mwetu ameponya ukimwi. Na ndio sababu naona tuko na vipandiko, tuko na pana na watu walioko nyuma yangu wanaimba wakitangaza ukimwi umeponya. Kwa ufupi tu, hiyo ndio sababu tuko hapa leo katika mji wetu wa Kisii kutangaza, kusherehekea na kushukuru Mungu kwamba miongoni mwetu katika huduma hii Mungu ameponya ukimwi. Asante sana.
Kwa majina naitwa Askofu Alfred Otieno Kobe, ni mchungaji katika hii huduma ya toba na utakatifu. Ninasimamia maeneo ya Nyamira County, lakini leo tumekuja kwa pamoja. Sababu kubwa ya kukuja pamoja kwetu ni kwa sababu Mungu Jehova aliyeumba mbingu na nchi ametoa mmoja wetu kaburini, yule aliyekuwa na ukimwi, lakini Jehova amemponya, na sasa imethibitishwa hata na madaktari ya kwamba hizo viini vya ukimwi haipo kwa mwili wake tena. Siwezi sema ni watu ngapi, ni wengi ambao Bwana ameponya. Ndio maana tumetoka na tumebeba hii bana. Wimbo yetu ni moja, tunaimba ukimwi umeponywa.
Na wikira kabo monchomo rigereria tiga tanyoro mutimo ke kurende ase libolire lispira lero nigo likwerera buna nigo gochengera litugeriga ryo gochengera abaiboli abangina bose habasubati mataside ase kwenguru bengere bya gwetera se namba ya 0726 447367 ingo gochengera litugeriga rya abaiboli abangina gosabasubati mataside anene lili gochengerwa chitariki 10 omutenyo gatano kera omwaka. Tome ujumbe nke gwetera se namba ya 0726 447367 go Getembe TV Facebook na boigo YouTube mbaraga bagenda tukuru birangari byabo hakoro kunere chenfanyera urwari Nairobi apo iria gotabuna igagochengera mamu mwabo asoko murenda buya rokoro ko muri ni bochabere kurwa nyanchwa igagochengera ababu mwabo amonechi anti chia chionsi biga hakoro kunere Anisa Keri kuru America agatena USA no atubwatete ya maseyemo Alfred Nyambati agatena wali me Keva Unsongo kuru na kuru nere cheria kerubo kuru manama Barin Kingdom agateba goika Getembe TV yego kuru kunere orulio yiga oyo kuru kunere Francis mayora kuru South Mogiranga agatena no nere niga gochengera abantu gose abangina bonsi Tanyoro mutima kwa moketu kuirana tugende ne Ekeonga sinchira yobwekira.
Daliga Busungu Medical Center igoba watu bokoreri aho buno mbawate pharmacy iyubata mariogo onsi mbawate lab department asabakulingoria amarwire au mbawate bokoreri bwa ICU ulebwa theater guse radiology mbawate bokoreri bwa oncology gukora bare dialysis mbabwate emergency wing na wigo amarigania buna yeguru asibugo babwate maternity wing igatiyo gukorera ibondo bunge nigo bagotoka sebara ya Kisii Kisumu Migori imeyumuchiriga umuzungu asamange bakeresi bigwetara sichi namba cyabo 0111964576 gose 0742328552. amasomo nanine obumanye nabuborairire omwana okogendera asamatuko ali busyo ime aye omwibuli kwabire gukuriye sukuru asoraire omwana anyorera obumanye nanine w'ikikosi cy'amaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute elyo aibunduse chikosi ao igaiga ntubwate chikosi bunabono elya ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa tureboigo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician level 5 na level 6 ase ekosi ya Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosi ya ICT Technician level 5 na level 6 Getembe Lab asensema ya Community and Online Working imiyeskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a modern library eyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ale nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya Version Design asetubwate chimashini chekerero inkwegeli abale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship inkwegeli abale Food Production yani Cookery na boigo Food and Beverage Production ase chinsamu cha Cosmetology nigotokwegeli ya Beauty Therapy miranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera obumanyi bwekerero unabono ya dressing pedicure manicure egati bumanyi bunde obunge boigonto bwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering agirira muretu manu anyorera obumanyi bwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyo gatano egenderete agirira eskuru yigani yere kilomita ya mune muskuru asomo chokeroka na wogwaka esimgwitra sichi namba 0726588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirana konyorera obumanye iriwebekeri bagari rya asensiga yokwerwanirira.
Karibu naende homanchomo uligerelia ekyama kya Ford Kenya nigo kene kiribuna nigo kirachikogendera kubwaterana ni kyama kya UDA asoko chole bonene bole bosio bo mwaka w'ekirubere 2025 okwana ime yomucho bosombo obwatani bekyame kyo bakorawa no munyakerogo borosage rwa Kisii Cyrus Mogaka nigo bane kiribuna mbachikobeko borwanerelia hasoko chole bole bosio bo mwaka w'ekirubere 2025 asibirogo hasibo bane kibuna bachi kulikia homubaro gwabo watani bekyame kya sokwane kibuna gotingi bale oboraye bwaye.
We are here today for grassroots expression. Last week we engaged the party leader through a mobile communication. Then we are so much grateful to receive our deputy party leader, Madam Abuto, who is here with us today to confirm the election of the county levels, which would propel to fill the candidates. Our big agenda is to have more seat in 2027. That is starting from the deputy president downward. On list that we are not going to fill on the presidency because we are in Kenya Kwanza government to stay. We are going to fill the governors, women rep office, MPs, MCAs, and all the categories. So we are here today to confirm the structures of the chairman, vice chairman, secretary, organizing secretaries, and also we have our chairman from all the 9 constituency in Kisii County. This activity is taking the whole of Kenya. the order of Kenya that His Excellency the Speaker of the National Assembly through Madam Abudo, they have dispatched all the NEC officials across Kenya to do this exercise.
Ford Kenya is there to stay, and I want to make it categorically. Ford Kenya is not going to fold. Ford Kenya is going to be there up to 2070s. Ford Kenya is the second oldest party, and we cannot afford to fold our party. We will work with like-minded people, and we are going to form the government with like-minded people so that we take Kenya ahead. Because Kenya, we need a better country.
Muravinso musike William Ruto ni gatogire kubatirana wensi ya Kenya mona France ase chi sector okana hase nyumba yobra ya State House ime ya Nairobi marogoba ya lero chinga kya mwarigani murai wense yo Emmanuel Macron Ruto ni gatogire chi seye chyo habara ya wabikire asokone ki mbachi kugendera kubwatirana.
Today I had the distinct honor and pleasure of welcoming President Emmanuel Macron on his official visit to Kenya, taking place at a historic moment as Kenya co-hosts Africa-France Summit in Nairobi under the theme Africa Forward, Africa Finance Partnership for Innovation and Growth. Kenya is deeply honored to host this summit, the first to be held outside France or a Francophone African country in more than 5 decades. This reflects the evolving nature of the Africa Finance Partnership and Kenya's growing role as a convener of regional and global dialogue. The summit brings together leaders, business people, investors, and innovators to advance practical cooperation in areas such as infrastructure, innovation, green growth, and development financing. Kenya and France have maintained strong diplomatic relations since 1963, when France was among the first countries in the world to recognize Kenya's independence, for which we are truly grateful. Over the years, this partnership has evolved into a broad and strategic engagement across multiple sectors. France is one of Kenya's leading economic partners, with strong portfolio of investments supported through the French Development Agency, particularly in renewable energy, urban mobility, and climate-related projects. Our cooperation also extends to education, skills development, and innovation. Through partnerships between Kenya and France and French institutions, as well as the FD-supported programs, we are strengthening technical training, higher education, research capacity, and many other areas to support Kenya's industrial and technological transformation. We have held extensive bilateral discussions aimed at deepening cooperation in trade and investment, particularly in manufacturing, renewable energy, pharmaceuticals, digital innovation, and agro-industrial development. Kenya is a competitive production and logistics hub for East and Central Africa, supported by special economic zones and a growing industrial base. As part of the strengthening of the strategic partnership between Kenya and France, our two countries today signed right here 11 instruments aimed at deepening cooperation across strategic sectors of our economies. Among the key instruments signed today is the rehabilitation and
asense muyayo mu raivense ya France Emmanuel Macron igamo togiro mu raivense moske William Ruto asoka gandra kwakoboko oko gwaterana we Chinsa chibire. Macron niga nekiribuna nachiko gandra kwa nekibunensi ya Kenya nechi ko kine birengo be sector kubwatikana ase okubwaterana uko wagendreire ase Chinsa chibire.
Thank you very much for your words, Mr. President, and for your warm welcome. And I'm pleased to come back on Nairobi 7 years after my first trip, my first official visit in your country, and it was the first visit ever of a French president. And which was honestly completely crazy to imagine. But the past 7 years have been quite a journey, I have to say. We did a lot together, and we increased our relationships from bilateral point of view, but as well we increased our intimacy. And we always appreciated your commitment to African and global issues. And this is why we decided to have this African Forward Summit being organized here in Nairobi, and thank you very much for that.
Asarwa chiruma nchomo rigereria no goikiro mwili obomwana mayaye Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere kolenda chikora ga Chinsa nye ningirane hasenchira yo goikiro kolenda segekege kekere mutwe mogeni tweli tukira lero nikekiranire haigeme studio nena se turachukwanira hamangana lingete siasa no burai na magendro ase bunge ya bubasigo nagosabire tuskali literane Cyrus Nyakundi asense meli mayerero nigarenge Wilson Makori.